if you look at Indian companies today, and I'm not looking at global companies for the moment, if you look at Indian companies today and how investors and analysts are looking at them, they're looking at 2020-21 as a washout year for earnings. Therefore, what have analysts started doing? They are saying we're looking at FY22 and FY23 as the earnings estimates of what we think they will produce, and we are valuing the companies on that basis. The markets in general, as determined by investors, are taking a medium-term view on overall equities and individual stocks. For FY22, FY23, I would really like the stock called India to be looked at also in the medium term. There is a short-term pain coming out of a health crisis of an unprecedented nature. The way forward is unclear on that in the short run. But if we took a view which is, say, 1 year forward, it would be reasonable to assume that we will have some better answers to cure and/or vaccine. And therefore, taking a view on the health pandemic and what it does to short-term growth, it will be very dangerous for taking a longer-term view on a stock called India. And in that context, my advice is let us take, for the short term, measures which are here and now, primarily to protect life and livelihood. And the longer-term issue is taking significant measures which will structurally change the nature of Indian growth. We may or may not agree with the Moody's downgrade of Indian rating, including where they have positioned us as on the negative side in terms of view. But I would look at the rationale of some of the points they have said and ask the tough questions. What do we need to get medium-term trend growth better? And that's where the focus of all of us in India should be.